So I decided I was going to vlog today, because at first I wasn't going to, but then I thought about it, and I know that Vlogmas is coming up, and because this was like a Christmas inspired type thing, I was like, you know what, let me film this, because with the way that I am with putting out these vlogs, by the time this is put out, it will be Christmas. So yeah, so today, you know, it's just a little family day, and we're all just, what's going on? Sorry, you guys, but today is really just a family day, and yeah, we're just chilling. Hang on, guys. Yeah, I'm okay, baby. Yeah, I'm all right, baby. But yeah, so we're just having this little family day or whatever. I decided to make this into a little vlog. But yeah, now we just finished with the little event, the Nutcracker thing. Honestly, we thought it was going to be different. Yes. Yeah, I'm filming, buddy, and you're getting changed, so I can't really film that part. We thought it was going to be a little bit different. Like, I thought it was more so going to be like Nutcracker on Ice type thing, but I mean, the event was still pretty cute. I got the clips for you guys to see in just a bit. But after this, though, we're going to pretty much go back to our city, well, my city, and then we're going to go get some food. And my brother should come out, but we just don't know just yet. But yeah, so we're now about to just go head back home. So I will come back on here when we head to dinner. spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart speak. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style is so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's true, dear. And I'm digging you. You make me believe that your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love, goes on and on. You give me a really all day long. I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Ooh, I'll give you anything you want from me. Anything you want, anything you need, anything you so desire. Anything, 'cause your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Alright, you guys, so we are at the restaurant. We just came to Applebee's. We're just waiting for a table at this point because it's crowded in here. And they told us it was going to be like a 30-minute wait. So we're just waiting for a table, but once we get placed, I'm going to show you guys what everything looks like. Alright, bye. So we finally, hey, we're recording now. So we finally got seated, you guys. Yeah. So we finally got seated. So I'm gonna look over the menu to see what I want. Mama, what are you gonna get? Which one looks good to you? What looks good? Uh-oh. Which one do you like the most? You want a burger? That's chicken taco? But you gotta choose one thing. That? You want that one? You don't know what he wants. I'm gonna get ready to order, you guys, and then I'm gonna come back and say hi, you guys. You guys, so they gave us the wrong... Dude, what are you doing, man? But they gave us the wrong drink, so we're waiting on my sister to get her drink. But when she does, she literally just got the same drink that I got, so once she gets it, then we got our drinks.
Juice.
Yes, it's like juice.
Juice.
Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to end this vlog here. As you guys could see, we ate dinner and everything. The service of the food was very, very bad off, honestly. But nonetheless, we still had a very great time, and we were just really happy to be, you know, chilling with one another, family, just having family time. So we really, really enjoyed ourselves today. And I hope that you guys really enjoyed this cute little short kind of vlog. I'm hoping that it's short, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully this is like a great step in the right direction for like Vlogmas and stuff. So yeah. But anyway, you guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below as well as here on the screen. All right, you guys, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!